everyone. So I'm still doing my steam engines. I'm still waiting to finish one off. So while I'm waiting, I thought I'd pay attention to my electrical stuff, which I love doing. I'm doing a revisit today of a wireless electricity transfer Mark II, I think it was. Anyway, I'll leave a link below. So I'm doing another one instead of that, and this is one of the coils I did make. Now I've made a joint in the middle there. I'm not 100% sure if that's the correct one, but I'll try it. If not, I'll swap these leads around and it should work in theory. And basically it's an LED, wireless LED kind of thing, which is a new thing at the moment. So I thought I'd try that out and see how good it works with me. The gauge and all that, I don't really remember what this gauge was, but it's the wire that I've got. Last time I tried to explain things on this particular project, wireless electricity transfer, and I realized I didn't really show the circuit very well. So I'm going to try and show the circuit a little bit better if I can, get my lighting correct and stuff. Okay, so this is the circuit, what's going to be. It's a very simple circuit, obviously. So you got the 3904 transistor, 2N3904 transistor, and this goes to the emitter goes to the negative, obviously here like this. I haven't drawn it in, but you can see it'll go there. The middle of the coil, which is what I showed you, will go into the positive side, and then you got from the base you got 1K transistor, which then goes back to this side of the coil, while the collector goes to the other side of the coil. It's a simple circuit. Let's get building it and see what it does, if anything at all. Obviously LEDs had to have an inductor, so we'll try and wrap some wire around the LED or something like that, and let's hope it works. This resistor is just above 1K ohms. So guys, I'm going to wrap 15 turns and 15 turns again around this thing and have a tap in, something tapped off, okay? 15 turns, tap in, 15 turns. Let's see. The base to the resistor to the coil. The tap in middle side to the positive. Emitter to negative. Collector to the other side of the coil. Coil from the clock. Use the wire to wrap around an LED or something. Soldered one side, gonna wrap the other around this. Or maybe something else. We'll see how it goes. So you see guys, this circuit does work, but this is the old way of doing it, which is not what I want. And it lights up, as you can see it lights up when you put it over here like this. So this is a small coil, just going over this coil, and that lights up. But what I want to do is have LED, which is I got 300 turns wrapped around this to work, and it's not working. For whatever reason, this is not working. Unlike the red one, this one works really good. This is a super LED. Well guys, I tried everything. I changed this big coil to a small one here, and I put this one on there, and the LED did light up. But it seems to work with that kind of thing. So I made a smaller coil, and let's just see if the LED lights up. Here you go, guys. So it's lighting up with that small coil inside the loop, I think. So guys, after going through lots of odds and ends and trying things out, I settled with this one here. It's just a tube which I had. I cut it and I wound it with the wire that you get out of the clocks, quartz clocks. Can't say that word. Anyway, so I wound it with that. I put 400 turns on, and I put a small LED on, and apparently it seems to be working really great. So let's just show you that. You won't be able to see it, so turning the lights off. So most of the lights off except the what's it called? Can you see it? Oh, I can see it. You can see it now, right? I think, yeah. There it is. So there it is. It's burning quite bright. Turning around like this. I'll go close up to it. So it's really, really bright, this light is at the moment. So I'm really pleased with that. It works fantastic. I love it. So yeah. So for the final time, I'll say subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.